Hello everybody, I am the Home Tech Guy and today is a video about YouTube. What is YouTube? It is the largest video of libraries that ever existed, and it's owned by Alphabet Incorporated, also known as Google. Google owns YouTube, and if you have an account with Google, your experience will be a better one. But today I'm going to show you the basics of YouTube. Who is YouTube for? Everybody. Every interest and every topic you can possibly think of. You can find anything, learn how to do anything, or find endless laughter and entertainment on YouTube. And what does it cost, you ask? Nothing. If you have an internet connection, you can watch YouTube videos on your PC, your Mac, your laptop, your iPad, your smartphone, your smart TV, even your smart watch if you want. It's available everywhere that you have an internet connection. So we're going to come here to YouTube. We're going to come up to the top of the page here at the top of the search bar and type in youtube.com. And this is the home page of YouTube. I have lots of music that shows up here because I've been listening to music lately, and YouTube wants to show me things that I'm interested in, and so I have all sorts of music categories that are showing here. The main categories are over here on the left. The main one we'll focus on today is just this home page right here, and I'll show you how you can find what you want to look for from this page right here. YouTube is full of everything you can imagine. Home videos, instructional videos, step-by-step cooking and baking recipes, amazing, unusual, and horrible music performances, sporting events, racing videos, birthday parties, bloopers, and slapstick humor videos, educational material like my channel here, the Home Tech Guy. People are awesome videos, videos with crazy footage of stunts and harrowing feats of courage and stupidity, vehicle accident videos from dash cams and Russian cars, live streams of music, and of course, cat videos. So you can find anything that you're interested in on YouTube because there are literally billions of hours of video that are being uploaded to YouTube every month. It is a repository of videos that are uploaded by users like you and me, people who have videos of home videos, things that they have straight from their cell phones, their smartphones, and it's full of videos from professional YouTube creators, YouTubers who spend lots and lots of money and time to create videos in almost every topic you can imagine, from science to history to the arts and so on and so on. If you have a Google account, that's when it really gets good, because when you're signed in with your Gmail account, like up here in the top right corner, I can see that I'm logged in. If I mouse over this picture, that's my profile picture, and that's the Home Tech Guy. It shows me that I'm logged in right there, and this is my experience. It is being tailored to me because I use this page to view videos from that account, and it is also my channel. So this video that you're looking at right now is on my video channel, and if you're subscribed to my channel, then you will get videos from me when I upload them, and you'll be notified in your email or on your phone even. So a channel is just a place where you find all of the videos from one of your favorite creators, a YouTuber who's created content and has a place like this right here in this big red box to subscribe to. So if I clicked on this subscribe button, this is going to subscribe to that channel. And just to the right of this subscribe word here, 24K means 24,000 people, 24,000 YouTube users have subscribed to this particular drum channel right here. Now I can go to any channel I want. Let's say I wanted to find out how to shut down my iPhone 8. And I type this in here at the top search bar and I hit enter. I'm going to find a video on how to shut off my iPhone 8 or my iPhone 8 Plus. And all I have to do is click on this video. There's the title here. There's a whole list of videos that are on this topic. I can scroll all the way down and there's many videos on this topic. And these videos will play part of the video if you mouse over them. Here is the name of this YouTuber right here. Here's the name of the channel, DHTV, 49,000 views. This video has 49,000 views already and it was created 1 year ago. If I go ahead and click on this video here, it's basically going to start playing as soon as I click on it. And I'm going to be able to see other information here.
You can learn from. Anyway, today we're going to be going over how to turn on and turn off the iPhone 8.
So immediately he tells you he's going to give you a video about how to turn off the iPhone 8. That's what I want to learn about. You notice that I paused the video. You can pause the video by coming down over here. When you mouse over the video, there are controls that appear at the bottom left here. Play and pause. You can also hit the K key on your keyboard. Notice the little K next to the word play right there. And you have volume controls down here as well, so you can change the volume by dragging this up and down, this little slider. And next to that slider, that volume slider, you see this time frame. It shows me how far in the video I've gotten. I'm 23 seconds into this video, and the video is 1 minute and 16 seconds long. So that's really helpful. And also what I see is this red line here, and this is where I have paused the video to show me where I left off. And if you're on your computer and you mouse over this little line here, it shows you the actual preview of what you would see in the timeline there. It's kind of a neat feature that you can scroll through and look for what you're looking for, and you can click anywhere in there and advance the video to where you want it to be. Coming over here to the right, the only other thing I'm going to show you, there are two things I'm going to show you here. In this settings bar here, in this settings gear icon here down at the bottom, it shows settings there. I'll click that. It's going to give me a speed. So I can click normal. That normal is what it's set to. I can actually speed up the video by 1.5 times or 2 times. I can even slow it down. If I want this person to talk a little slower, all I have to do is hit one of these buttons here and it'll slow the video down so that I can listen to it a little more carefully if I want to. So I could click this half here, let's say, and now when I hit play, this fellow here on the video is going to talk half as fast.
Guys, it's pretty much the same method. Once again, you're going to press and hold on that power button.
See that? So it goes slower, and I can also click the settings button and speed this up to, let's say, 1.5 times as fast, and you'll notice that it'll be faster when I hit play over here.
You'll see the slide to power off option at the top. Just go ahead and slide, and the device is now going to power down.
So that's fast. So I'm going to come back here to this little gear icon down at the bottom and click it, and this speed here, I'm going to click this again and put it back to normal so that it plays normal. So that's really the only control, and the only other control I'm going to show you is this bottom right box here, this little 4-cornered box icon down in the bottom right hand corner of the video. When you scroll over the video, you see that, and what that is, as you can see, the little fly out there says full screen, and when I click on that right there, this will go full screen, so I can see this video in full screen mode. And to get out of full screen mode, I can come down to the bottom right of the video again and click on that icon again that's turned into 4 corners facing in. If I click on that, it'll go back to the way I found it, like that. So those are the controls I wanted to show you. If you are logged into your Google account, what you are able to do is, number 1, subscribe to this video. Let's say I want to hear more from DHTV. I like what he does. I like his content, and I want to hear more of it. I'm going to click the subscribe, big red subscribe button here. He already has 117,000 subscribers, but I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and now it says I'm subscribed. And then I get this box full of recommended things that I can subscribe to, but I'm not worried about those. So I'm going to close that with that little X there and get rid of that. But now I'm subscribed to this channel. And if I want to be notified each time he puts out a new video, then I'm going to click this little bell icon over here. When I scroll over it, it shows me that I can get notified about every new video that he puts out. Now, I might not want to do this very often, but in those cases where there is some timely content, maybe a YouTuber that's putting out news that I want to hear about, and I want to hear every time he comes out with a new video, or he's a very creative artist and he puts out new creative videos, and I want to know when he puts out videos, I'll be alerted, and I'll get this alert on my phone and in email, or a notification on my phone that shows me that there's a new video from him, and I can watch it from there. So that shows me I'm subscribed. Another thing I want to show you that you can do is that you can like this video. And this thumbs up here, that's liking the video. If I click on that thumbs up, it's going to turn into a 128. That means I am counted as one of those who liked this video. YouTubers want you to click these. I want you to click the like button on my videos if you like the video, because that really helps me out. It helps me know that the video that I put out is good content and that you enjoyed it. You could also thumbs down if you like. If you dislike the video, you can also share this video. If you have a YouTube account or a Gmail account, a Google account, you can share this. If I click share, it gives me all sorts of ways to share this video. I can either copy the link down here and drop it into an email, paste it into an email and share it with somebody. I can also share it with people I know by sharing it to Facebook. I can share it to Twitter. I can share it in a number of different ways. I can even share it by email. If I click on this email button over here, it will open up my email client that I use for this computer, which is Gmail right here, and it will allow me to share this with somebody that I want to share it with. I'm going to share it with myself, and the subject is how to turn off your iPhone 8, because that's what this video is about. And I'll put that in the subject line, and I'll just come down here at the very bottom and hit send, and that's going to send that video. I can close this window now at the top here, and it will come back to it won't come back. It closed the window. I needed to go back. I'll hit a new window here. There we go. So we'll go back to YouTube here, and I'll show you one other thing you can do.
What's up, guys?
One other thing you can do with a video, and that would be to comment. If you like the video that you just watched, you can also comment down below the video. There's a comment section. There are 486 comments for this particular video, and I can add a comment. What a great, video, like that. And that's my avatar right there, my little profile picture there, to show that that's who's commenting. And I can come over to here and hit the comment button, and now this comment will show up, and everyone else who's commented here have comments here that I can read as well. I can also comment on someone else's comment. If this person, Nikia Smith, says, I totally couldn't see the smudges, LOL. This is a reply to something in this video, and I could click reply and reply to that comment if I wanted. So you can interact and become involved in a conversation about what is happening on this video. So those are the main things I wanted to show you. YouTube is sorted by category, and so you can find all sorts of things from categories that are listed up at the top of these lists of things here. So these are recommended videos for me, alternative rock music. These are other videos, jazz, because I've been listening to music and so forth. And these are some categories that might interest me if I scroll down through here. I can also come up to the top over here, and I can click on trending, and it shows me what the newest trending videos are that people are watching, videos that are popular and so forth. And I can also come over here to browse channels, and there are various channels that I've subscribed to, various channels that are available here for you to look for, and you can look for somebody's channel up here. and then you can go ahead and subscribe to their channel and watch videos that they have in their channel. So that's it about YouTube. This is basically just the basics. If you want to learn how to do things like interacting with videos and some other things about YouTube, how to watch videos on your phone, leave a comment below and ask me, and I'll try to get to all those questions. Thanks for watching.